Okay, so this is the trans, pretty well disassembled, about 80% down. Let's see, that component to the extreme right is the pump for the transmission. And then another set of output shaft, and then that's the final drive. That's actually the input shaft, output shaft, and these are the band. It's a clutch pack assembly I've got to rebuild. And then there's the differential goes in the bottom left hole, the output shaft goes in the top hole, and the input shaft from the engine goes in the right hole. So on the other side there's still a bunch of clutch packs that you might be able to see inside. Yeah, see them briefly in there. I got to pull the back end apart and redo all the discs, fibers, and steels. That's the wiring harness for the electronic control valve body on it. The pan, the final drive, the other half of the case, the valve body, and a bunch of accumulators, all in the position they came out of. And these are the new parts. Those are the new fibers and steels. The pump bushing, which they say is not serviceable, we'll find out. That piece of paper that's all wound up, that's the actual new band. That's the internal filter, and that white box is the external filter. So there's two filters. And this is the 5-speed, I have a name for it, 51 something, but there's numbers on the sides of the case. It should work rather awesome. We put it back together, 160,000 miles. Really a pretty simple automated transmission to pull apart. Minimal tools, a little bit of patience, and yes, the Hyundai book. Faxon, F-A-X-O-N, Riverside, California. They carry books from 1900 to 2018 on every car manufactured in the world. So, okay, Wesley, I hope this gives you an idea where we're at. So I've just got to finish the cleaning the reassembly of the components and then stacking and put it back together. And then there's a back side of the other case. I've got all those clutch packs in there. And there's pistons and seals that go with it. And everything looks really clean. There's no abusive wear, nothing weird. So if it was General Motors, it would have been metal all in the bottom of that pan when I open it on up in the bottom of the case. Because it's just GM. It's the company that just keeps on giving and taking from you financially. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Bye.